Hey everyone, it's GameZilla here, and today we have a toy, Jurassic World. That's really hard to read. Wow. Okay, well it's a dinosaur. It looks like a pterodon, but looks to me it's not. And it's for ages 6 to 12. It's marked box or 75915. It's something capture, and it's 174 pieces. So it comes with the dinosaur, Smani, and the ACU, which is Asset Containment Unit. My recording isn't too advanced, so I'm just gonna have to pause it and no like fast forward things. So yeah. It's time for pack 2. So it looks so far. So yeah, time for pack 2. And I'm going to build in here this last bag. So yeah, it comes with this guide. See the ACU. Oh, I forgot to show you the other extra. So first let's just show you this guy. Okay, first let's just talk about the gun. The gun doesn't really do much. Comes with a shot. Take it off. Stab this guy. So when you get to that guy, some guys have got the view and tell me. So then this guy right here, he has a vest and a helmet. Take off the vest. He has a vest-looking thing under it. See, like some DNA type thing. This is like a vest type thing. And the other thing I'm sort of disappointed about, he only has a scared face, but wake up from work, go to bed, go home from work, get eaten by a dinosaur. Oh wait, never mind, if you got eaten by a dinosaur, then you probably would do that. He has him. So he has just this awesome mohawkish hairdo and just some like jumpsuit look typing thing. And on the back, see Jurassic World logo. And yeah, that's it really. And you can drop them on your computer. So I better get back to building. So yeah. So one last thing. This guy. Yeah, you can open his mouth, close it. Really looks cool. His wings, things like that. Yeah, this thing I can grab on stuff here. Things can flap. Mouth can close, open, close, open. There's like different kind of settings. Look for this setting, this setting. So basically, this setting and this setting all the way open. So 3 kind of closed, but yeah. So let me get back to seriously. There's nothing else I can do except this set, but I have to finish building it. So I might want to get back to building. And here's the set. After a long time of building, first let's show you. Wait, no, I already showed you all that in the video. Yeah, nothing really changed with them. So let's just take a quick look at the helicopter, since you all already know what they are and what they do. So the neck can shoot. Yeah, just shoot. Actually, if you put it pretty high, it will actually just go and spread out all by itself. It's just really cool. So you can. Let's just take a look at the helicopter. It comes with this little sliding out door thing. Can y'all see? And then you press it. Go like this. Well, don't worry if you can stuff ammo in that little box there. And you can lose ammo really quickly. Let me pause the video real quick. So when I think about it, I think it's very sculpted. Sorry, not sculpted. How can I say it? It looks really cool. It's the window. Yeah, it's very designed. This window, it's just, oh, it just looks so cool in that awesome shape, and then you go up. So I'm gonna put the guys in here real quick. Put Buzz Ronnie in here. So you can just cruise on and, oh no, catch him! Oh no, that's bad. Run! Run! Ah! Robin! Josh! No! No! Okay. Game over, dudes! Game over! Okay, wait. I'm trying to see, do what a child would do. I know a child. Just pick him up. I quit. We'll be back. Ah! 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 No! No, no, no. ACU! ACU! Help me! And that's when you need to call in the ACU for help. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shoot him down with my siren thing. Ah! And then once Ronnie dies, and so does the ACU, and they all live happily ever. And then Godzilla comes and destroys everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. And remember, I am going to have a Facebook and an Instagram, so make sure to like that too, as I said in the other video. And